Imagine a future where drug discovery is no longer a game of chance, but a precise science. SciSparc, NASDAQ SPRC, a clinical stage pharmaceutical company, is taking a bold step towards this vision with a groundbreaking initiative that combines quantum computing and 3D protein modeling. But here's where it gets controversial. Can this cutting-edge technology truly revolutionize the way we develop medicines? Or is it just a futuristic pipe dream? And this is the part most people miss. The potential implications for personalized medicine and rare disease treatments could be game-changing. But the road to success is fraught with challenges and uncertainties. In a move that has sent ripples through the scientific community, SciSparc has announced its plan to harness the power of quantum computing for 3D protein modeling, a critical aspect of drug discovery. Proteins, the building blocks of life, are incredibly complex molecules whose functions are dictated by their unique 3D structures. Traditionally, predicting these structures has been a daunting task, akin to solving a puzzle with billions of pieces. Classical computers, despite their advancements, often fall short in accurately modeling the dynamic nature of proteins. But what if we could simulate these molecular dances with unprecedented precision? SciSparc's initiative aims to do just that by leveraging quantum computing, a technology that operates on the principles of quantum mechanics. Unlike classical computers, quantum computers can process vast amounts of data simultaneously, potentially simulating protein dynamics and interactions with remarkable accuracy. This could lead to breakthroughs in understanding how proteins behave in the body and how they interact with potential drugs. For instance, imagine being able to predict exactly how a drug will bind to a protein target, minimizing side effects and maximizing efficacy. Is this the future of medicine, or are we getting ahead of ourselves? The company plans to establish a dedicated research team and collaborate with leading experts in quantum computing and structural biology. Their focus will be on developing quantum-enabled tools for protein folding prediction, protein-ligand interaction modeling, and accelerated drug discovery. Particularly, they aim to target neurological and rare diseases, areas where SciSparc already has a strong foothold. To operationalize this initiative, SciSparc will incorporate a new Israeli subsidiary, further solidifying its commitment to this ambitious project. However, this initiative is not without its challenges. Here's the catch. Quantum computing is still in its infancy, and integrating it into drug discovery is uncharted territory. The significant investment required, coupled with the uncertain timeline for practical applications, raises questions about the feasibility and scalability of this approach. Moreover, while the potential benefits are immense, the risks of failure cannot be overlooked. Are we ready to embrace this technological leap, or should we proceed with caution? As SciSparc embarks on this journey, the scientific and investment communities are watching closely. The success of this initiative could pave the way for a new era in drug discovery, where diseases once considered untreatable become manageable. But the road ahead is uncertain, and only time will tell if this bold venture will bear fruit. What do you think? Is SciSparc's quantum computing initiative a revolutionary step forward or a risky gamble? Share your thoughts in the comments below.